Is your phone getting hot and freezing at the worst possible time? Stick around because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you exactly why that's happening and I'll give you 3 simple methods to fix it right now. Before that, welcome to my channel, your tech buddy. Do subscribe and hit that like button. So first start with why does your phone heats up? So let's so first of all, the phone gets heat up because too many apps are running in the background. Too many unwanted apps are there, and you are not using most of the apps that you have installed it, and your processor is running multiple apps at once. So why does your phone lags? There are a number of reasons, but the main reason is low storage space and too many apps running on your processor. So to fix that, let's start with methods to stop overheating.